Most people get this comparison wrong right away. They think YouTube Premium and Spotify are the same thing because both involve music and streaming. But here's the truth no one tells you. These two services solve completely different problems, and choosing the wrong one can mean wasting money every single month. In this video, you'll learn exactly how YouTube Premium and Spotify compare in 2026, what you actually get from each, and which one is worth paying for depending on how you use your phone daily. Let's start simple. YouTube Premium is mainly built around YouTube itself. It removes ads from videos, allows background play, and lets you download videos for offline viewing. So if someone like Alex watches a lot of tutorials, podcasts, or entertainment videos on YouTube, Premium makes the entire experience smoother and uninterrupted. But here's where Spotify is completely different. Spotify is a dedicated music streaming platform. It focuses on songs, playlists, podcasts, and music discovery. So if someone like John mainly listens to music while working, studying, or traveling, Spotify becomes his daily companion. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest difference is not features, it is behavior. YouTube Premium is for video-first users. Spotify is for audio-first users. That single difference decides everything. Let's break down real usage. With YouTube Premium, you can watch long content without ads, switch to other apps while the video keeps playing, and even download entire videos. But it does not offer the same music curation experience as Spotify. With Spotify, you get highly personalized playlists like Discover Weekly and Daily Mix. The app learns your taste over time. But it does not remove ads from YouTube videos, and it cannot replace video content. But here's the problem most users face. They subscribe to both without thinking. Then they realize they are only using one of them regularly. That is wasted money every month. Now, let's talk value. If you spend more time watching YouTube for entertainment, learning, or podcasts, YouTube Premium gives more value. It removes interruptions and improves your entire viewing experience. If you mainly listen to music while doing other tasks like studying, gym, or commuting, Spotify is the stronger choice because it is built specifically for music discovery and listening quality. Now, here is a simple real-life comparison. Alex uses YouTube for everything from tutorials to entertainment. For him, YouTube Premium makes sense. John listens to music 5 hours a day while working. For him, Spotify is clearly better. So which one is worth it in 2026? There is no universal winner. YouTube Premium wins for video-heavy users. Spotify wins for music-heavy users. The best choice depends on what you do more every day. But here's the final truth. If you had to choose only one, think about where you spend more time, YouTube or music apps. That answer will give you the right decision instantly. To wrap it up, YouTube Premium improves your video experience. Spotify improves your music experience. Both are powerful, but only one will actually match your daily habits. If you want more simple, honest app and tech comparisons like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps you make smarter subscription choices without wasting money.